Hello and welcome to my channel and my new video. In this video we have the Casio AQ 800 and I'm gonna show you how to set the time and date. So let's get started. Setting the time and date on this watch, I'm gonna split into let's call it parts of the video. First part is setting the time and the second part is setting the date. First of all, I have to set my subdial over here to the correct form. Remember that this video is about setting your digital time over here, and there will be also a video on my channel where you can see how to sync your the analog time to your digital time. Nevertheless, let's get started. Now we have our time shown over here, and let me see what's the time currently. Okay, now the time is ticking. Whilst there, press and hold this button for at least 2 seconds until you hear the beep. And we have our seconds flashing, as you can see. Now we cannot set the exact value of seconds, but what you can do is reset that value to 0 simply by pressing this button over here, and as you can see, it's reset to 0. Next up, press the upper button once, and we move on to setting our hour value. As you can see, number 13 is flashing. Now, to get it to correct time, press this button and it will shuffle to your time value. In my time zone, it is currently 13 o'clock and I'm gonna get it back to 13 o'clock. And there it is. Next up, press again once this button and the flashing moves on to the minutes value. As you can see, it's flashing number 4. In my time zone, it's 13 o'clock and 57 minutes. So I'm gonna press this button, as you can see, in increments of 1, and it's changing the value. To engage the fast scroll, simply press and hold it. And as you can see, it's rotating very fast. I'm gonna get it to 58 in this case. Next up, again, press this button over here, and we are in the time format, or 12 or 24 hour time format setting. To shuffle between 12 or 24 hour time format, you press this button over here. I'm gonna leave it at 24 hour time format. Press the mode button, press the adjust button once again, and as you can see, we have now implemented the settings. When there is nothing flashing on the screen, it indicates that we have set our time. To set our date, again, press the mode button once, and whilst you are in the date mode over here, so you have your date shown over here, press the upper button until you hear the beep, and we have our number 7 flashing. 7 is our month value, so currently it stands for July, but currently it is November, and I'm gonna press this button until I get it to number 11, which corresponds to November. Next up, press the upper button once, and we are in the mode of setting our day value. As you can see, it's flashing number 4, but today is November the 2nd, and I'm gonna press this button until I get it to number 2. Press and hold engages fast rotation. So November the 2nd. Next up, press the upper button once again, and we move on to day of the week or language that is currently. Today is Wednesday, it's correct, but I can shuffle it by pressing this button through all of the days. I'm gonna get it back to Wednesday. Then once I've set it, I'm gonna press this button over here, and once the flashing has stopped, it means that I have set my date. And with that, I have set my time and date. Thank you very much for watching. That was another tutorial video on my channel, and if you want to see how to sync your analog to digital time, check the video on my channel.